Hi, Paul.
Hi there, Dee.
Now, the path to individuation is one of our workshops that we've got on tomorrow.
Yes, it is. And it's a very interesting workshop because it's something which we all need to do, really. We need to learn how we can feel centered in our own being and shine our own light rather than feel that we need to grab onto someone else to be able to somehow feel ourselves complete or whole or able to function or to grab onto our society or our family or others. And it's really very much a process of needing to confront our fear and also learning how to center ourselves so that we can feel in our heart that sense of who we are and that we're enough. We're enough to be who we are in relationship to others and our world. What do you think, Dee?
Yeah, I think in this workshop, what we're really wanting to explore is that connection that you have to your own truth and to the trust that you have in yourself. You know, you are meant to understand your purpose in this life, what you are meant to do, and you alone, uniquely your own path. And that means that you have to trust yourself, you have to trust your intuition, you have to trust the feelings that arise from within you, you've got to trust your own awareness. And that does require a lot of understanding. And so, in this workshop, we want to create this framework so that you can feel supported in your own self exploration.
Yeah, you may feel weak in some ways in your being. I mean, all of us do. It's not something where perhaps you'll be able to sort out everything in one go, but we'd like to provide a very loving and supportive environment just to help you. I mean, there's nothing wrong with love and caring. We very much need to do that with each other. We need to support each other. We need to give and receive and to feel connected with each other too. But it's learning how you can do that without compromising yourself, without giving some parts of you away or taking things from others, rather than just feeling that you can function yourself. So that's how we want to help you, so that you can feel more your own sense of individuation.
Yes. This workshop will be on Saturday, the 1st of May at 6 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, which will be, I think, 9 a.m. for our UK friends. Hope to see you there and take care.
Take care indeed. Bye
Bye
now.
now.